This is lecture number 11, paper EL 5504, unit 4, noise. We are discussing about the calculation of noise figure. Calculation of noise figure. Noise figure may be calculated for an amplifier or receiver in the same way by treating either as a whole. Each is treated as a four-terminal network having an input impedance RT and output impedance RL. RT, input impedance RL, output impedance, and overall voltage gain A is equal to overall voltage gain. It is fed from the source, that means so our source is our antenna of internal impedance RA. RA is our internal resistance, or we can say impedance, which may or may not be equal to RT. That means RA is not equal to RT. As a circumstance is given, the block diagram of such four-terminal network is as shown in the figure. So this is your figure. This is the block diagram for noise figure calculation. This is your RA. We know that what is RA? The source of internal impedance. This is your VN, or we can say VS, signal voltage. This is our VI, this is our RT, this is our RL, the voltage gain is A, this is our VO, like this. Now the calculation procedure may be broken down into a number of general steps. So there are a number of steps. With the help of this step, we can calculate the noise figure. The first step is determine the signal input power. First step is determine signal input power, which is denoted by PSI. Why we are using PSI? Because input signal, this is your VS, signal voltage, or VN, or that's why the input side we use PSI. Second step, determine the noise input power. Noise input power we can define as PNI. Then third step, calculate the input signal to noise ratio. Calculate input signal to noise ratio, that means S upon N input, that means I, from the ratio of PSI and PNI. And this is calculated with the help of ratio of PSI upon PNI. The next step is determine the signal output power. Determine the signal output power, and it is denoted by signal, that means S, and output, that means O, PSO. Next step is write PNO for the both noise output power to be determined later. So write PNO, output noise power, for the noise output power to be determined later. Next one is calculate the output signal to noise ratio. Calculate output signal to noise ratio from the ratio of PSO and PNO. Next step is calculate generalized form of noise figure from step 3 to 6. Which is 3? This is 1, 2, this is your 3, 4, 5 and 6. With the help of step 3 and 6, we generalize the form of noise figure. And the last one is calculate PNO from R equivalent and substitute into the general equation for F and put this in noise figure F to obtain the actual formula. Now, from the figure, we can say that see, this is your figure. The signal input voltage and power will be signal input voltage and power will be VSI is equal to VS RT upon RA plus RT. From the figure, see here, VSI, it is equal to VS RT divided by RA plus RT. This is your equation 2.11. Therefore, PSI, it is equal to VSI no square divided by RT. It is equal to VS RT upon RA plus RT all square into 1 upon RT, and this is equal to VS square RT upon RA plus RT whole square. This is coming from equation 2.11. That means here we are using the value of VSI. We put the value of VSI here. That means VS RT upon RA plus RT, VSI square. That means this square into 1 upon RT. This is your 1 upon RT. So multiplied by 1 upon RT and calculate this. We are getting this VS square RT upon this. Right? This is your equation 2.12. Similarly, the noise input voltage and power will be VNI square is equal to 4 kT delta F into RART upon RA plus RT. This is your 2.13. So we can write PNI is equal to VNI square upon RT, that is equal to 4 kT delta F RA/RT upon RA plus RT into 1 upon RT, and this is equal to 4 kT delta F RA upon RA plus RT. This is your equation 2.14. Very simple calculation. Hence, we can say that the input signal to noise ratio will be from above. The input signal to noise ratio will be S upon Ni. It is equal to Psi Pni. It is equal to Vs square Rt upon Ra plus Rt whole square divided by 4 kT delta F upon Ra upon Ra plus Rt, and this is equal to Vs square Rt upon 4 kT delta F Ra into bracket Ra plus Rt. This is your equation 2.15. This is just only simplification of the equation. The output signal power will be, this is your input signal to noise ratio. From this we can say the output signal power will be PSO. It is equal to VSO square upon RL, and this is equal to gain A VSI whole square divided by RL. This is coming from, put the value of VSI from equation 2.11. ये कहाँ से आया? From the equation 2.11. We are just putting the value of VSI here. So we can write A Vs RT upon Ra plus RT whole square into 1 upon RL, and it is equal to A square Vs square RT square divided by Ra plus RT whole square into RL. This is your equation 2.16. You just repeat all this. You calculate in your own page. Then the noise output power may be difficult to calculate. For the time being, it may be simply be written as PNO. So PNO is equal to noise output power. The output signal to noise ratio will be, the output signal to noise ratio will be, we can say S upon NO, and this is equal to PSO upon PNO, and this is equal to A square Vs square Rt square upon Ra plus Rt square into RL and into PNO. This is your equation 2.18, and this is coming from equation 2.16. We are using the equation 2.16, we are getting equation 2.18. Finally, the general expression for the noise figure noise figure is F is equal to S upon N input divided by S upon N output. This is equal to Vs square Rt upon Kt delta F Ra into Ra plus Rt divided by A square Vs square Rt square upon Ra plus Rt whole square RL PNO. To simplify this, we can get F is equal to Ra PNO into Ra plus Rt divided by 4 Kt delta F A square Ra plus Ra into Rt. Ra into Rt. And this is our final equation 2.19. The above equation is an intermediate result only, and actual formula for noise figure F may now be obtained by the substitution for the output noise power, or we can say from the knowledge of the equivalent noise resistance, or we can say from the measurement. That's all. Thank you.